Hello students, today we are going to discuss loops in JavaScript. As you learned in previous semesters, a loop is a set of instructions that are executed repeatedly till the condition remains true. In loop, a single statement or set of statements are executed repeatedly until some condition remains true. In this loop, the computer first checks whether the given condition is true. If the condition is true, then the body of the loop is executed. If the condition is false, then the control is transfers the statement immediately after the loop. There are many benefits of using loop. Loop provides code reusability. We can transfer over the elements of an array or list efficiently and easily. Generally, we use loops in the case of a repetitive occurrence of some process. There are four types of loops used in JavaScript. The first one is for loop, the second is while loop, third is do while loop, and the fourth is for in loop. Let us first discuss for loop. The for loop iterates the block of statements for the fixed number of times. The for loop is used in situations where the number of iteration is known in advance. For loop has three parts: loop initialization, condition statement, increment, decrement statement. Let us discuss these parts by the syntax of loop. The syntax of for loop is similar to the for loop in C language. For, initialization, condition, increment, decrement within the parentheses, then begin, then the statements within the for loop, and then end. For example, for I is equal to 1, I is less than equal to 5, I plus plus. Here the loop starts from 1, I, that is I is equal to 1, then the upper limit of I is 5, and the increment decrement here is increment by 1. Then there is a single statement inside the loop, document.write I plus space. In this loop, the computer will print 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. As the I goes to 6, the loop is terminated and the control is transferred outside the loop. The second loop is while loop. The while loop is basically used in the situation where the number of iterations are not known. It, like for loop, it iterates the block of statement for infinite number of times. It should be used if the number of iteration is not known. The syntax of this loop is while, condition, then begin, then statements within the loop, and end. Let us take simple example here where I is equal to 11, while I is less than equal to 15, begin, document.write I plus space within space bar within quotes, then I plus plus. This loop starts from 11 and execute the code till the I remains less than or equal to 15. As the I goes to 16, the loop will be terminated. One more thing here is that in while loop, the increment or decrement statement is inside the loop, but in for loop, there is with the for statement. Now we discuss do while loop. Do while loop is similar to for loop. It iterates the block of statement for infinite number of times, but there is a one difference between for loop and do while loop. In do while loop, the code is executed at least once with whether the condition is true or false. But in case of while loop, if the condition is false first time, the body of the loop will not be executed. Syntax of do while loop. Do begin, then the code to be executed, and while condition. For example, where I is equal to 21, do document.write I plus spacebar I plus plus while I less than equal to 25. Here you can see the condition statement is at the end of the loop. First the control enters the loop, then the condition, after executing the body of the loop, the condition is checked. If the condition is true, then the body of the loop is executed again. But if the condition is false, then the control goes to next statements. This loop will display 21, 22, 23, 24 and 25. Like while loop, the counter variable is inside the body of the loop. Another loop is in JavaScript is foreign loop. This loop is used to iterate the properties of an object. This loop is very useful while accessing the property of HTML object. Using this loop, we can access all the properties of object. The syntax of this loop is for var name in object. Var name is a user-defined variable name. Then begin statement or block of statements inside the for loop, then end. For example, var a property. This example will display all the properties of navigator for a property in navigator. The a property variable will automatically takes the value from navigator object. Then begin document.write a property, then document.write break. This loop will continue till there is value in a property. When the value in a property is null or blank, the loop will be terminated and the control will be transferred to the next statement, document.write exiting from loop. Students, this was all about loops in JavaScript. Thank you. Have a nice day.